Hey, I'm Matt with Alarm.com. Excited to show you the new sensor walkthrough test on our mobile tech app. It's actually an award-winning feature that we just launched, and exciting to show it off to you. So this is Mobile Tech, our technician app for installation and remote customer support. And inside the remote toolkit now, our service providers can run a sensor walk test. And so within the remote toolkit, you scroll down to Sensors and you hit Sensor Walk Test, and this will bring up a dashboard. And what it shows you is that the signal was received by the Alarm.com panel, and that Alarm.com sent it on to the monitoring station, and then lastly it verifies that the monitoring station has received that signal. So now instead of getting on the phone and talking through that entire process, you can just do it remotely and quickly through the Mobile Tech app. So we're really excited about it. So ask your account executive about it if you want to learn more.